Hi guys, let's solve today's Leetcode problem, and it is problem number 2833, furthest point from origin. Okay, it's an easy problem. Let's read this out. You're given a string moves of length n consisting only of characters L, R and an underscore. The string represents your movement on a number line starting from the origin, that is 0. In the ith move, you can choose one of the following directions. Move to left if move of I is L or move of I is underscore. Move to right if move of I is R or move of I is underscore. Return the distance from the origin of the furthest point you can get after n moves. Okay. So if we see the constraint is also very low. There is nothing going to impact what I'm thinking. And move consists of only these three characters. Okay, there is nothing else. Now, if you see this example, what it says is we have given this string of moves. Now here we have given L. Okay, if we start in a number line, so this is number line, here it is 0, it is -1, -2 and so, and here it is 1, 2 and so. This is how number line looks like, right? Now here from 0 we are starting. Now it says to move left. Okay, I moved left. Now it's underscore. So from underscore there is two choices, either I can move left or I right. Okay, now I can try actually both the things in every step, but I mean, let's take one for a moment. Okay, let's for underscore in this case we are taking only right. Okay, now again so we took right for underscore and we are at 0 again. Now from here it's saying again to take right, we came to here, right? Now from here it says go to left, so now we came left. Now from left it says to underscore, so underscore is again right, so right. Then there is another underscore, so I'll go right again. Then there is this R again, so R is right, so I'll take one more right. So where I reached this point, this is 3. Okay, so this is where I have considered this underscore. I will take this underscore as right every time, but it is not fixed that underscore that I have to take would be any of either right or left. It can be anything at any point. Okay, any underscore, there is two choices. I can go either left, either right. But now if you carefully observe, if I'm going right, left or right, I am here at point 0. I go one times left and one times right. This cancels it out, right? I came back to the original position where I was. Or or if I go to, you know, instead if I'm at 0, again I take one step right, one step left. It is again getting cancelled. I'm coming back to my 0. Okay. So what does this mean? This means that the number of left and right are there, right? So it will cancel themselves. So in this example, if you see left, right, there are two left, two right. So the one left will cancel one right, one left will other left will cancel on the right. Now there is three steps left. Now what is our goal? Our goal is to return the distance from the origin, the furthest point you can get after n moves. Furthest point after n moves means we are starting from here and how far we can go. It is not mentioned in each any direct, I mean in which direction we can move, any direction, but what is the maximum distance that we can go, how far we can go. Okay, so since in this example you see we have cancelled all this left right, now there is underscores only left. Now take a example, I mean think if one underscore I took as left, another underscore I took as right, another one and again as left or right, what will happen? This left and right will cancel, and this is what I would have. Only one step I would be able to move far. Okay, rather if for all these underscores, if I would have considered them as moving right itself, right, right, so in that example I would be able to move three steps. Or even if I took it as left, 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 then also I would be able to move three steps. Okay, so we will use the same concept, that number of left and right that will be, so that will get cancelled. So what is the remaining of them? We will move our underscore in the same direction. Okay, so now let's take this example. There is one L, one R. This will cancel. Now there is one left remaining, right? Now to get maximum farthest distance, what we need to do? if let's say these underscores, if we move these two words right, this one of the right will get cancelled with the left, right? So rather, if we move in the left direction itself, so how it will be that okay, this is right, sorry, this is left. Again, for all these underscores I'm going to move left. So in total, how many there is? 1 2 3 4 underscore and 1, this 5. So for this, answer will be 5, because I am considering for underscores I will move left. Okay, now if you take this example again, I have to move for this. So for all this underscore, I will take only one direction, either left or right. So these are, I think these are seven steps, 7 moves. So I will take all left or all right. So altogether it will be 7. Okay. And in this example, there the number of lefts were higher, right? So for that reason, we took this underscores as left. Now, if let's say in this example where number of right would be greater. Okay, left underscore right, 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 something like that. So in this case, if you see, the one left will be getting cancelled with one right. Now there will be 3R and 3 underscores. If we consider these underscores as left, all will get cancelled with right. So for that reason, I need to take as how R is. Okay, so R is basically going right. So we will take all these three as right itself. So these are 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. So all together it would be like 6, all going towards right. So if you have observed carefully, what I need to know what is the count for left, count for right, or I can write it as L count, R count, and underscore count. Okay. So for each of them, I'll take this count while passing in the array. So let's take for this example. There is one L. Initially, everyone will be 0. This L is 1. Then there is underscore 1, another underscore 2, then right 1, another right 2, another underscore 3, another right 3, another right 4. Okay, now as I was saying that this left and right will cancel themselves for for I mean, for all this left and right will get cancelled. But since there is only one left, so only one right will get cancelled. Remaining will still be there, right? So what we can think of, we can take the absolute difference between them. So absolute of L count minus R count plus whichever is the maximum among these, right? So absolute will give me that okay, this is the maximum in whichever direction we go, this is the maximum we can go. Plus in whichever direction we are going, the same direction we will move this our underscore as well. So this plus this is U count. So this will give me the furthest distance that I can go. Okay, so now let's write the code for this. So one is like, first I will have these variables L count equal to 0, R count equal to 0, U count, that is underscore count, is also equal to 0. I will have one loop which will go from 0 till n, that is length of the string moves. And if moves of I is equal to L, my L count plus plus, else if moves of I is equal to R, R count plus plus. And since there can be only three possibilities, so whatever, if it is not left, if it is not right, definitely it will be underscore. So else underscore count, U count plus plus. So in this loop, I'll get to know all these counts, and at the end, I can simply return absolute difference between L count minus R count plus L count minus R count plus the U count. Okay. So yeah, this is a simple approach for this problem, and it was actually one small key observation, and the problem would be solved. Now let's discuss the time complexity for this problem. So time complexity, if you see, we are just having one loop over here, nothing else. so it is O of n. And space complexity, we are not taking anything additional, so space complexity is O of 1. Yeah, that's all for this problem. uh, I'll add the GitHub link for my code in the description below. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next video. Have a good day.